Good morning, we're Paw Prints Around Australia. I'm Shane.
I'm Rachel.
And welcome to episode
10.
10. So we are in Wentworth at the moment. Nice, well, it's not a nice day, but it's all right at the moment. We are right on the fork of two rivers. So over that side is the Darling and over that side is the Murray.
Yeah.
And they join up right here. So
It's pretty cool.
yeah. We are heading north,
Yes.
so we thought we'd just pop in here and see this landmark feature point of interest and start our episode. So nice little park here
Yeah,
actually.
it's nice.
Took the dogs for a walk and we're up on the lookout, so yes,
Look out.
look out.
1,000,000 square kilometres. Wow. The Darling River covers. So from Wentworth all the way up to Wellgate. So we're here obviously, and we're going to follow the Darling River. Pooncarie is our next stop for tonight, and then Menindee. How cute.
Good morning, nice wet morning. We're here at the Pun Tenya multi-something reserve. I don't know, Rachel put a little clip up. Yeah, we've woken up to this nice little rain band. I think it's been forecast for a little bit, so we've hit it. We camped up here with quite a few other campers. Relatively hard ground, so I think everybody could see this coming. And have got up there. You can drive down to the river all the way down along there. But yeah, it would have been very soggy. We did move from the Red Cliffs golf club, I think it was. The track going in was had the potential to be very soggy when it rained, and it probably would have turned into something like that. So we decided to get out of there and get to, I guess, harder ground. I'm glad we did, because yeah, it's been raining. I think it's about 8 o'clock now. Been raining since about midnight, pretty steady. So there's a few campers out last night. They had a little fire pit and everything going on. And morning, Rach. So yeah, we just camped out in this little camp kitchen sort of area, just having a coffee and letting the dogs have a run and do their wee without getting too wet. But yeah, it's Sunday. What's the date today? Sunday the 9th of August. So we were going to head north again to Menindee, but we're not too sure yet. We'll see how we go. this whole other bank of travellers, having a chat to them yesterday. They're heading the same way, so yeah, going to be a few of us up there if we all head up there, so we'll see how it goes. Whoa.
Stay away from the cactus.
That's a bit random.
Mm-hmm. Police phone. What do you think that's for?
We're in the police.
Cheers.
Cheers. Pooncarie Pub.
So we've been staying at the Pooncarie RV park. It's right on the golf course and the Darling River. It's been raining quite a lot, so a lot of the roads are closed up here, so we can't really go anywhere. So we're just staying put for the time being until some of the roads open up again and we can head further north. Yeah, I went for a drive into town this morning. We saw the Big Yabby, just a structure built by someone local. Had a chat to the publican here, and apparently, I know the sign said a population of 85 people, but he did confirm there's about 30 and about 100 if you include all the stations around here. So it's a small little town, not much to do or see. So we've just been cooped up in the caravan, cleaning, catching up on other YouTubers, that sort of a thing, letting the dogs in and out for their wheeze. But yeah, it's muddy. A few caravanners left this morning. They were headed back to Wentworth, I believe. They did want to go north. They were going to go in our direction, Broken Hill, Menindee, etc. But they decided to turn around and go back the other way because that was the only road that was open at that time. So the road to Broken Hill is now open. So I think we're going to head to Menindee tomorrow and go from there. See what happens. Right, it's pack up day. Time to move to our next camp.
I love coats.
Can't read it. Population 550. I thought it would have been bigger than that.
Yeah.
Right here if horses on bridge. No horses.
No horses. Darling River.
And a lucky feather. Woohoo! Tia. Is it a pelican feather? Was it a pelican feather? Hey! Settle, petal.
So we're just walking the foreshore of a lake. It's just out of Menindee. It's quite nice out here. Beautiful night. Just walking around with the puppies, Baxter, and come across these tracks. Not sure if you can see them there. Kind of, I don't know, is that like a camel or? I don't know if you can see it properly there. I don't know if it's camel or cattle. I mean, we're not outback, so wouldn't assume it would be camel, but who knows? I mean, there's a few other tracks out here, motorbike tracks, car tracks and that sort of thing, and dog tracks. Got Rach sitting up there. But yeah, beautiful night tonight. It's a good reprieve, I must say, from what we've been going through the last couple of days. So I don't think there's too much rain forecast for the next 5. So we'll probably camp out here for a couple of days, do the 3 rule that we heard from a couple of experienced caravanners, the old travel 3 hours, camp before 3 o'clock, or stop before 3 o'clock, and stay for 3 days. So we're kind of following that rule at the moment. Everywhere we go seem to set up nicely. And now we're on this lake. I'll have to Google it. It's got a long name. It's on Wikicamps though. So yeah, it's quite a nice sort of setup, nice big area. We are set back a bit, but that's all right. We still get the puppies out for a run. Tia loves it, obviously. We did see a sign, 1080 baiting, on the freeway on the way in, but we sort of did a Google research and Rach went into town and asked around, and there's no active 1080 baiting around all the campsites here at the lake. So hence why they're off and roaming around, as they love it. They don't like being on leash, and we don't like having them on leash. That's kind of why we want to travel, so they can explore and get new sniffs and, I don't know, see the place. But yeah, quite a nice night tonight.
So we've just unhitched our caravan and we're driving into Menindee just to have a look around and see what's there. Our campsite is 15 minutes from the town centre.
Yeah, 8K's on dirt and probably about the same on bitumen.
Yeah. The only accommodation on Lake Menindee is the caravan park. So we're on Lake, I can't even pronounce it.
Pamamaroo.
Pamamaroo. Something like that.
Yeah.
So there's heaps of free camping along that lake. Some very nice spots. Just drive around before you actually park up and find a good spot.
Because there's a lot there, and we got there, 2 days after the big rain band came through, and the main weir road that we went in on was actually closed. But there was a 1300 number.
Yep.
We gave them a call, and they said they're just doing some construction on the road, just fixing it from the
grading it.
grading it from the wet weather, but
Yeah.
they said it's fine to go down. Just beware, it's pretty sandy and boggy, but we had no troubles getting our van in.
No.
None at all. And the road is actually, it's quite nice at the moment. It's very wide,
Yeah.
well graded. Hats off to the local council here to get right onto it for free campers. It's good to see. So,
Yeah.
but yeah.
So yeah, I think we're going to move tomorrow. Move to another campsite right on the lake because it's really nice and flat and yeah, lakefront.
Lakefront, and there's a bit of grass out the front where we can park too. For the dogs, obviously they like the grass and not the gravel or the dirt.
We do too.
We'll pack up tomorrow. It's a bit windy today, so we'll pack up in the non-wind day and move for a night.
Yeah. So we'll show you around Menindee and what it's got to offer while we're there.
Yeah.
Yeah, learn what it is so we can tell people.
This is a regulator. We're on the weir and regulators for the Darling. So as you can see down there, that crossing there is actually the Darling River.
Ooh.
So this is like a water regulator for the Darling.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah. You can drive across the Darling without going over a bridge.
Pity it's too windy for the drone today, hey?
Yeah. We'd probably survive because it can do up to 40k an hour winds, but it's not worth the risk.
No.
Maybe tomorrow. The pelicans are struggling against the breeze.
Interesting. Let's go across.
Oh, is that way?
Do not enter authorized persons only.
Is that for that way though?
Not sure.
Or is that for this way? Because that's the main road up there.
Oh, let's go.
That road's also closed, I think, due to the floods. Alright, we'll go up there, we'll come back.
Oh, there's a sign here too. Do not enter. Oops.
Well, we got to get back.
Sorry about that.
So how do people get to the picnic ground and stuff?
I don't know. Heaps of free camping. More free camping. photos. So it's a population of 500 people. Primary school, or was it a kindy?
Kindy.
Kindy.
Going to the info centre and see if the national park is open. We looked online and the national park here is actually closed. But we'll see the information centre and see if they've got an update on it.
We got that from the information centre, but it was actually closed.
Yeah, we just walked in there. There was another lady in there. We walked in there and got told that it was closed.
It was shut. So that's a local supermarket.
Did a bit of a shop there yesterday, didn't you,
We
Rach?
did. Got to support the small towns.
That's it. And the pub. You supported the pub
Yes.
too, didn't you?
Wasn't cheap.
No. No, but we're free camping and you can't complain, can you?
No.
But yeah, just chatting to another traveller at the information centre. So they've just come in. They're volunteers at the Menindee bash that is happening in a couple of weeks, isn't it?
Yeah.
Next week.
20th to the 22nd.
So they're volunteers. They're waiting. They've got a crew coming as well. So they're looking at staying down at the lake as well. So I think it's going to get quite busy down there over the next couple of days.
Gave her some good tips of where to go, where's good.
Yeah, we just did a drive down there. So yeah, could be quite busy here.
Well, it is.
And our next, we're heading to Broken Hill next, which is even closer to Menindee. So I think it's just going to get busier and busier with caravanners since the festival's on.
Yeah, Broken Hill is 108 kilometres from Menindee.
Yeah. Yeah. They also come from Pooncarie too, where we were.
Yeah.
And they said it was quite wet
Too
still
wet.
there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But yeah, this place looks deserted. All the shops look run down. It's pretty sad to see.
We do have two schools here, so they
Well, kindy and a
primary school, yeah.
But yeah.
Oh dear. What's the matter? You want to get out, don't you?
That's the Burkham Wills Park. Burkham Wills must have been popular around here for some reason.
I think because they probably travelled through here.
Oh. Local hospital.
Pretty sure the National Park is closed. Yeah. All closed.
Bugger.
Yeah. Still a working railway station too.
Yeah, we heard it last night from camp.
There we go to Broken Hill
Sydney as well.
to Sydney. Oh, there you go.
Thought there'd be more information. So we're at the Birkin Wills Oval. There's a dump point and a water filling point just over there.
Just opposite the information stand. It's all on Wikicamps. Love grass. Love grass.
Now this is something you don't see every day. Hello, Mr. Cows. Hello. Now this is cool. Caravan. Cows. I guess they were the tracks that were on the shore of the lake. Not cattle. Last minute race to go to the sunset lookout. We got 10 minutes before the sunset and it's 16 minutes to get there. Go Shane!
Come.
Are we gonna make it?
Are we?
Are we?
I don't know. Start recording now just in case.
Bumpy! Uh-oh, I think we missed it. Look at him.
They're playing with each other.
Look at the kangaroos.
Cool. Kangaroos in your backyard.
So we missed the sunset over Lake Menindee. Apparently it only sets over the lake in summer. So at the moment it's over there, but in summer it would be over there. Bugger. So this is Lake Menindee. Massive. I tried to ring Shane to bring the car down here to take some drone photos of him driving on the lake, but he didn't answer. So that's a shame. Beautiful.
What are you up to?
Tia. Can't see what I'm recording, but anyway.
Why not?
Whee! I'm so dizzy. And Water Point at the oval here. It's 2 times. It's a bit close.
Bit close.
Oh, wait time.
Anya, Tia. You're right under it.